Welcome back to my search for freedom. Today it's time to leave Benin. As you know, we stayed in that place outside of Cotonou because it wasn't possible for us to stay in Cotonou. The place that we chose, as you remember, I told you about this, the place that we were going to stay in Cotonou was not fit for our guests. So it was really a chance that we could find this place outside of Cotonou. It's a nice place. We stayed there for the whole time, and unfortunately we didn't have time to enjoy all the things that we could in that place outside of Cotonou, because every morning we had to leave to go sightseeing, and then every evening very late we come back. Even the swimming pool, we didn't have time to enjoy a good swim in that swimming pool. Actually, if you are visiting Benin, you want to spend some time outside of Cotonou, we recommend that you contact them, and they will give you some good deal. If you tell them that Pierre recommended you, my search for freedom recommended you, they will give you a deal. As you can see, this is the road where we take that road every morning, every evening when we are coming back to that place, to the La Grasse Verte. So today is the last day. We enjoyed the stay in Benin. We also met some people we know in Benin. We also met some family members. I can say that we did most of the things that we planned to do. 90% of the things we wanted to do, we did them. We stopped on the way to buy some sugar cane, as you can see. Just to have something for snack in the vehicle on our way to the border of Benin and Togo. So we are in Togo now, and we didn't have a chance to take any videos through the border because it was so busy. It was so busy, and we had to go to many offices to sign papers, for visa. It wasn't possible at all to take any videos for you. We will stay only one night in Togo. We won't have time to visit even Lomé, the capital of Togo. But I think next time we may be able to spend 2 or 3 days for our visitors to be able to have a feel, to understand better that country. But for now, we are going to stay only one night, and then we will continue to Ghana the next day. I'm letting you enjoy now the woods in Togo. So we are now approaching Lomé, the capital city of Togo, and then we will find a place. We'll find a place to eat some food because everybody was hungry, and after eating, we will check in at the hotel and rest. In Ghana, we will have a different driver. As you know, we were with Joel the whole time in Benin. Once we get to the border, the other driver from Ghana will meet with us and will transfer all our luggages to the other vehicle, and then we will continue to Ghana with another driver. You will meet the new driver. We haven't met him yet, but you will meet him in Ghana. Here we are on a beach. We found a beach where there is several restaurants. That's where we are going to have supper for this evening. Then after we will go to the hotel where we will stay for the night. As you can see, our guests are happy and they are taking some pictures. Remember to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment our videos. See you in the next one. Take care.